Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to enable the feature that allows you to navigate pages with a text cursor in Google Chrome on your PC. This new update enhances your browsing experience by letting you use your keyboard to move around web pages easily. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, simply click to launch the browser. Next, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see 3 vertical dots, which are known as the More button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various features of Chrome. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Click on it to open accessibility options that can enhance your browsing experience. Now, within the Accessibility section, you will see an option labeled Navigate Pages with a text cursor. Simply toggle this option on to enable this feature. This allows you to navigate through web pages using your keyboard's arrow keys instead of relying solely on your mouse. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the text cursor navigation feature in Google Chrome on your PC. Now, when you want to move around a web page, just place your text cursor anywhere on the page and utilize your keyboard's arrow keys to navigate up, down, left, or right. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer keyboard navigation or have accessibility needs. It makes browsing more efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy browsing!